Welcome, my dear friend. Take a deep breath and gather all of your awareness wherever it's wandered. Bring it back to you right here in this moment. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Notice the sensation of your clothes touching your skin, or perhaps the subtle brush of air gliding over you. Let yourself feel grounded, heavy, and safe, as though you are deeply anchored to the earth, cradled by gravity itself. Silently affirm, I am here now. This moment is for me. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this sacred pause from the rush of everything else. This moment is my gift. Now, let your breath flow freely. No need to control it. As you inhale, imagine a brilliant emerald green light gently flowing into your heart's energy center. Feel it warming your chest, filling you with vibrant energy. And as you exhale, see that same light expand outward, radiating in all directions beyond your body, beyond this place. Watch this luminous emerald glow connect you with the universe itself. As each inhale brings this light inward, and each exhale shares it freely. Breathe deeply until all you see is this radiant emerald glow. Let the brightest, purest light reside in the center of your heart and quietly affirm, I am the light. I am one with the emerald energy in my heart across time and space. Now imagine before you a rainbow begins to emerge, perfect, vivid, and resonant. It rises into a gentle arch, filling the space around you with its vibrant colors. Wherever you are, indoors or outside, see this rainbow materialize right here in your mind's eye. Its base stretches from one side of your vision to the other, grounded itself firmly in your space, and as you gaze at it, discover a quiet knowing within you, a willingness to embark on an inner journey towards something greater, a brighter light, a kinder reality, a new beginning. Feel this rainbow softly gliding closer to you, effortlessly floating through the air. It reaches you, passes over your body, and soon surrounds you like a cocoon of radiant, soothing energy. Pause here for a few breaths. Be still as the rainbow wraps you in peace, balance, and ease. As the light around you begins to shift, the rainbow transforms into an expansive orb of pastel colors. This sphere envelops you entirely, merging with the emerald light within your heart. Together, they create a harmonious union, a space of infinite possibility, fresh beginnings, and pure innocence. In this sacred aura, you are free to release, to heal, and to begin again, guided by an even deeper love and self-acceptance within yourself. Relax, let go, breathe. Stay connected to this energy for a moment longer. Then bring your awareness to the familiar pull of gravity, anchoring you back to your physical space. Feel the spot beneath you, the steadiness of the earth reminding you that you are safe, whole, and supported. When you are ready, begin to move your body very slowly. Stretch in whatever way feels natural, allowing these sensations of calm and renewal to flow through you. Take these feelings with you. Carry this light, this gratitude, this harmony as you transition back to your day. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. Thank you for all that you are and all that you are becoming. Thank you for meditating with us. Remember, this moment is your gift.